Hello everybody and welcome to another video of Italian. Welcome to Speak Italian with Daniela. I'm Daniela, the Italian teacher, and today, as you can see from the title, I'm going to teach you how to use the word cosa, what, in Italian. So let's dive in the lesson. Okay. A common question from Italian learners is how to use the word what. Today I'm going to teach you some examples about this word. What plus verb in Italian is che, cosa, or also together che cosa. Examples. Informal way, the meaning of what do you want. So, che cosa vuoi? What do you want? Cosa vuoi? Or che vuoi? Attention, because this could be also not very kind way to talk with someone. So be careful when you use it, okay? Sometimes people use this che vuoi in a very, not very, but angry way, or not in a positive way. So be careful when you use. I suggest you to use che cosa vuoi or cosa vuoi. Remember, this is informal, so you can talk in this way with a friend or a family member, not with people that you don't know. And then we have the formal way for what would you like. So, che prende, cosa prende, che cosa prende. These questions are used in a restaurant or cafeteria. Then the second is what plus noun, and the translation in Italian is che and also quale singular or quali plural. So for examples, some examples. What color do you want in English, or what day is today? In Italian is, you can't translate it with che cosa or cosa. We use che, quale, quali for these kind of questions. So the translation is, for example, what color do you want? What day is today? What color do you want is che colore. Che, non cosa, colore vuoi, ma è che colore vuoi. Or other examples, che penna vuoi? Penna is a pen. Che giorno è oggi? What day is today? Che libro vuoi? What book do you want? Che lingue conosci? Or what languages do you know? Or which languages do you know? Okay. You can also use quale, singular, quali, which, if there is a small amount of options. So here we can use che and also quali. So quale quali, che penna or quale penna vuoi. Here so only che giorno è oggi. It's not quale giorno è oggi. It's not very used. It's not also grammatically correct. Che libro vuoi? We can use quale libro vuoi. Che lingue conosci? Quali lingue, because lingue is plural. Quali lingue conosci? Quale quali, we can use this quale quali if there is a small amount of options. For example, again, quale penna vuoi? For example, I show you a bunch of pens and you need to choose one of them. Quale pizza prendi? There's a list of pizzas and you need to choose one in a restaurant. Okay? And so whenever there is a range of options, we can use quale. Quali is plural, so we use it for plural nouns. Quali libri hai letto? Quali lingue, foreign languages. Quali lingue conosci? Which languages do you know? And last one, very important, there's a list of different meanings and translations of the word what in Italian. So what is che? And we saw this in the previous examples. Che, cosa. Come, you can translate it also. How about in this case is someone tell you something and you don't completely understand, so you can ask come, like the meaning, can you repeat? Come. And also scusa, that is not sorry, is can you repeat again in an informal way. Then we have scusi, formal way. Scusi, I'm sorry, can you repeat? Or che cosa, like what do you mean, or I didn't understand, can you repeat? Che cosa, I didn't hear you. And also come scusi, that is the translation of sorry, what was that? Okay, so this was a lesson of today. If you have questions or if you want more examples, please comment below. Comment with if you like this video, and if you want to see other videos about Italian grammar. And I hope this lesson was useful for you. So subscribe to this channel for more useful videos about grammar and Italian culture. And I will see you the next time. Ciao, ci vediamo.